Yes, sir. I hope that you would have tried a beautiful and a fantastic question from the chapter material. Actually, if you ask me, sir, I want to revise the entire material chapter, which question to be solved, I will say that solve this one question. If you solve this one question, the entire concept of the material is getting, sir, revised. I'm going to solve the answer for the question. I believe that you would have tried at least once. Sir, as procurement time, that is lead time, is given in days, consumption should also be calculated in days. So I am changing everything into days. What is the maximum consumption per day? Actually, they have given for a week. 350 kg is what they are going to consume within 7 days. So 350 divided by 7 comes to 50 kg per day will be the maximum consumption, my dear lovable students. Minimum consumption per day. In a week of 7 days, 210 kg they are going to consume. 210 kg divided by 7 days comes to 30 kg per day will be the minimum consumption, my dear lovable students. So what is the average consumption per day? Actually, that average consumption can be worked out in two ways, which is nothing but 50 kg per day plus 30 kg per day, both are in days, divided by 2 to get the average, which is 80 kg divided by 2. That means 40 kg per day is what the average consumption. Or you can travel through the question itself like 210 kg and 350 kg, that is per week. So 210 kg plus 350 kg divided by 210 plus 350, which is 560, divided by 7 comes to 80 kg. If you want average divided by 2, again 40 kg. By that way also we can solve that part. I hope that you are clear. Now can I move into the start one by one? EOQ, economic order quantity, root of 2AB divided by C. What is the annual consumption? Daily consumption into number of days. Daily consumption, will I take maximum consumption, minimum consumption, or average consumption? Better to take the average consumption, which is 40 kg per day into 365 days are there. So 40 into 365 comes to 14,600 kg is the annual consumption. I am going to consume 14,600 kg. Ordering cost actually given in the question. For every one order, look at the question, man. 200 rupees per order is the cost. So 200 rupees per order. Sir, what is the storage cost or carrying cost per unit per annum? This is something interesting actually. What is the value of the raw material? Rupees 100. For every material, 1% per month. So into 12 months plus extra for 1 year, 2 rupees. So 100 into 1% will be 1. This is for every month. I don't want for every month. I want carrying cost per unit per annum. So into 12 means 12 rupees. Plus extra for the entire year 2 rupees. That means 14 rupees per unit per annum. 14 rupees per unit per annum is the carrying cost. So we can easily straight away apply the EOQ formula. Root of 2AB divided by C. 2 stands for annual consumption. B stands for buying cost per order. C stands for carrying cost per unit per annum. So 2 into 14,600 kg into 200 divided by 14. 646 kg is what the reorder quantity or economic order quantity. What is reorder level? Which is a level at which we will place the order, which is maximum consumption into maximum lead time. What is the maximum consumption? 50 kg per day is the maximum consumption. And what is the maximum lead time? 9 days is the maximum lead time. So 50 into 9 comes to 450 kg is the reorder level. So if my stock is at 450 kg, I will place the order. What I will place? I will place the reorder quantity, which is nothing but economic order quantity. So what is the maximum stock level? At my reorder level of 450 kg, I will place the order. How much I will place the order? Reorder quantity. What is my economic order quantity? 646 kg. By that time, when I get the order from the supplier, I will consume. I want the maximum stock level, then I have to reduce the minimum consumption, right, sir? Then minus minimum consumption of 30 kg into minimum lead time of 5 days, which comes to 150 kg. So 450 kg plus 646 kg. Take your calculator. 450 kg plus 646 kg minus 150 kg comes to 946 kg is the maximum stock level. Beyond this level, if I am carrying stock, I will unnecessarily piling up the stock and wasting my money. But at any point of time, I should have minimum stock level. This much stock minimum I should carry. What is my reorder level? My dear lovable students, look at the question. 450 kg is the reorder level. Minus, in order to get the minimum stock level, I will reduce the average consumption. So what is my average consumption? 40 kg per day. And what is my average lead time? 7 days. So 280 kg. So from 450 kg, if I reduce the 280 kg, I will be getting 170 kg as the minimum stock level, my dear lovable students. What is the average stock level? Straight formula. Maximum stock level plus minimum stock level divided by 2, which comes to 946 kg is the maximum stock level, plus 170 kg is the minimum stock level, divided by 2. My final answer, average stock level, will be 558 kg. I believe that you are getting the same answer for this. Now the next calculation, how many number of order to be placed per year? Sir, every time I am going to buy only 646 kg. But in an year, I need 14,600 kg. This is my annual demand. So annual demand divided by EOQ, which come to 646 kg. So I am going to place 22.60 orders. Like this, I can't place an order. Or I have to round off to 23 orders. So I have to order 23 orders. If I am traveling at EOQ, what will be my total inventory cost is my question. If I am traveling at EOQ, annually in an year, I will buy 14,600 kg, correct? 14,600 kg into, for every kg, the purchase price is 100. So 14,600 into 100 comes to 14,60,000 is the cost of material. Total ordering cost. If I am traveling through EOQ route, I will make 23 orders, my dear lovable students. For every time to order, I have to spend 200 rupees. So 23 into 200 comes to 4,600. Fantastic to the core. And what will be my carrying cost? Sir, I will order EOQ, which will be 646 kg. But I will carry only half of EOQ, which is 646 divided by 2, into carrying cost per unit per annum is 14. So 646 divided by 2 into 14 will be 4,522. So basically my total cost will be 1 plus 2 plus 3. If you are traveling at EOQ, ideally this should be same. But we have round off the number of orders. That's why there is a difference between this figure and this figure. Otherwise, exactly at EOQ, my carrying cost will be equal to the ordering cost. So 14,60,000 plus 4,600 plus 4,522 comes to 14,69,122 is the total cost I will be incurring if I am traveling through the EOQ route. Fine. But question saying that if the supplier is willing to offer 1% discount on purchase of total quantity in 2 orders, that means I should not travel through the EOQ route. I have to buy the entire annual demand in 2 orders. Then what will be the story? Then actually purchase price will change. Now I am purchasing 1 kg at 100, but is offering 1% discount. So 100 into 99% will be the revised price will be 99 rupees. Correct? When the price of the material changes, automatically the carrying cost will also change. So 99 into 1% into 12 months plus 2 rupees will be the revised carrying cost. which means 99 into 1% means 0.99 rupees for 1 month. Into 12 comes to 11.88 plus 2 comes to 13.88 will be the revised carrying cost per unit per annum. Getting it? What will be the revised order quantity? My annual demand is 14,600 kg. My supplier is saying that you have to make in 2 orders. That means every time I will order 7,300 kg. Then I will be carrying only half of that 7,300 kg. Fantastic to the core. If I am accepting the offer price, my inventory carrying cost will be, my dear lovable students, I will be buying 14,600 kg at the rate of 99. So 14,600 into 99 comes to 14 lakh 45,400. Super, sir. My total ordering cost, I will be ordering only 2 times. So I will be making only 2 orders. So 2 orders into every time I will be incurring 2. So 2 into 200 comes to 400 rupees will be my ordering cost. My carrying cost will be half of the inventory. I am going to get 7,300 kg. So 7,300 kg divided by 2. Since the purchase price changes, automatically carrying cost per unit per annum also changed. So that into 13.88. So 7,300 divided by 2 into 13.88 comes to 50,662 is the total carrying cost. So my 1 plus 2 plus 3 will be, that means if I am not traveling through EOQ, if I am traveling through discount route, then 14,45,400 plus 400 plus 50,662 comes to 14,96,462, my dear lovable students. But if I am traveling through EOQ route, I have to incur only 14,69,000. Here it is 14,96,000. Better to travel through the EOQ itself. Don't accept the discount. As total inventory cost of offer price is 27,340, because here I am spending 14,96,462. But there I am only spending 14,69,122. So there is an extra cost of 27,340. It is higher. So offer should not be accepted. Fine. For that, actually, the question is asking that you say an offer rate. Brilliant. Fantastic part of the question. I love this area. What should be the minimum discount rate? You should ask. We don't know what is the discount rate. So we can take the discount rate as X percentage. It may be 1%, 2% or 3% or 5%. Fine. My dear lovable students, then what will be the counter offer price? You can say that currently you are selling at 100. From that reduce 2%, basically 100 minus, sir, X percentage. So some amount you have to reduce it, right, sir? So 100 minus X will be the counter offer price. From 100 rupees reduce 1 rupee or 2 rupee, like that. Fine. Fantastic to the core. So what will be your revised carrying cost? Because if the counter offer price is 3%, for example, 97 will be the new purchase price. So 97 into 1% into 12 plus 2 will be the revised carrying cost. Are you getting it? So from 100, we don't know what is the counter price, but this into 1% for every month. Like that we are having for 12 months plus mandatorily for the entire year, we will be adding 2. Getting it? So, my dear lovable students, 100 into 1%, we know that 1 minus, sir, X into 1%. Basically, 1 divided by 100 means 0.01x. Basically, into 12 months, again plus 2. This into this. So, 12 into 1 comes to 12 minus 0.01 into 12 comes to 0.12m. Right? I have just cross multiplied this into this plus this and this. Plus 2 will be the revised carrying cost. Hope you are able to get it. Because we are going to offer a particular percentage. Fine. So basically 12 plus 2 we can make it as 14 minus 0.12x. This is not m. 12 months only. This is x. 12x. So 14 minus 0.12x will be the revised carrying cost. I believe that you are able to carry along with me. So what will be the total inventory cost at the counter offer price? I am going to buy 14,600 kg because that is my annual demand. into what is my price? 100 minus X is the price. Whatever discount they are giving, from that I will be reducing. So 14,600 into 100 means 14,60,000 I am getting, minus 14,600 into X means 14,600 X. This will be my new purchase price. What will be my ordering cost? Because I am going to order only 2 orders. That anyway will not change. So 2 orders into every order 200. That means rupees 400 rupees will be the total ordering cost. What will be my carrying cost? If I am ordering only at 2 orders, I will be getting 7,300 kg, my dear lovable students, divided by 2 into what is my carrying cost. Here I have find out 14 minus 0.12x into 14 minus 0.12x. Now I have to cross multiply. How I have to cross multiply? 7,300 divided by 2 into 14 comes to 51,100 minus 0.12. Up 7,300 divided by 2 into 0.12 comes to 438x. Now I can make 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is nothing but 14,60,000, this value, plus 400, this value, plus 51,100 comes to 15,11,500 minus all this X I can add it. 14,600 X plus 438 X comes to 15,038 X. 15038 X. This will be my total cost. Sir, if I am offering a discount, I should be able to tally the minimum cost what I was incurring earlier, right? What was beneficial for me? If I am traveling at the EOQ, my cost was 14,69,122. Minimum, I should bear only this much cost. If I am incurring more than this, I will travel only with EOQ. So, my offer or counter percentage will be equal to 14,69,122. This should be the maximum cost I can bear. This should be equal to 15,11,500 minus 15,038x. Now I can make like this. 15,038x is equal to 15,11,500 minus 14,69,122. So 15,038x is equal to 15,11,500 minus 14,69,122 comes to 42,378. So basically X is equal to, sir, 42,378 divided by 15,038 into 100. Correct? So 42,378 divided by 15,038 into 100 means, sir, 2.82 percentage is the maximum discount. So therefore the discount should be at least 2.82% the offer price. So if 100 rupees, they should give me 2.82 as the discount. So 100 minus 2.82 comes to 97.18 will be the maximum price. If they are offering at this price, it is exactly tallying with my EOQ. Otherwise, it will not be tally with my EOQ, my dear lovable students. So look at the beauty of this question, my dear lovable students. What a fantastic question this is. Fantastic means fantastic question. So this into 100 will give you different answer, not into 100. So this one question, my dear lovable students, will make you clear with the beautiful topic of the material costing. Now I am reading, before I finalizing this question, Mrs. Tanishka Material Private Limited produces a product which is called ESS. Consumption of raw material for the production of ESS is 210 kg to 350 kg per week. This day is expressed as week. Other information is as follows. Procurement time in days. So, two datas are given in two ways. Purchase price of raw material, okay, fine. Ordering cost per order, okay, fine. Storage cost they have expressed differently. 1% per month. So, on this 100 into 1% into 12 plus 2 per unit per annum. Fine. What are the requirement? Consider 360 days in a year. EOQ, root of 2AB divided by C. Reorder level, maximum consumption into maximum lead time. Maximum stock level, reorder level, sir, plus EOQ minus minimum consumption into minimum lead time. minimum stock level, which is nothing but reorder level, minus average consumption into average lead time, average stock level, maximum plus minimum divided by 2. Normally, we will use that formula. Number of order to be placed per year, annual demand divided by EOQ, total inventory cost, purchase price plus carrying cost plus, sir, you will be having the ordering cost. You have to calculate that in both the ways. If supplier is willing to offer 1% discount, then 100 will become 99. Discount on the purchase of total annual quantity in 2 orders, then I will be buying only 2 orders, then order quantity, ordering cost will be substantially reduced, whereas the carrying cost will be more. Whether offer is acceptable? No, because we are getting higher cost. Don't accept that. If the answer is no, what should be the counter offer with reference to the percentage of discount? We should ask 2.81 percentage. What a brilliant question. Fantastic question. This is, my dear lovable students. If you are getting the right answer for this question, update me how many of you got the right answer for this question in the comments. We'll meet at the appropriate time with another question. Till that, thank you. Bye bye from ANM.